Well, hey there, everybody. One of my subscribers posted a comment asking about the Flexzilla hose to see if it was as flexible as other hoses or more flexible, because he's getting ready to clean out his gutters once all the leaves fall off. So I'm going to show you. It's about 50 degrees outside. I have 4 garden hoses here. I have a heavy duty one, I have a standard, then I have my Flexzilla 5/8 inch, and then I have my Flexzilla 1/2 inch. Of course, the Flexzilla 1/2 inch is very flexible. And then if I go to my 5/8 inch, it's pretty flexible too. For this regular garden hose, I'm having to struggle a little bit to get it bent. For the heavy duty garden hose, same thing. So yes, indeed, in cold weather, the Flexzilla hoses do hold up and bend a lot better. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, happy gardening, and have a great day.